Right, best news ever. As I'll show you now on this video, this little clip. Just watch it and you'll see. I'll put an arrow where it's jumping on the Aero 10 when I'm recording, so it is jumping. Now, since I've done the firmware update of the 1.30, it's gone. It's absolutely gone. There doesn't seem to be any more glitches in it, touch wood. I hope it stays like that. But the 1.30 firmware update, which GoPro sent out last night on the 27th/28th, early hours, late last night, early hours this morning, I was uploading it midnight last night, the firmware update, and it seems to have exactly worked. Fingers crossed. I was really panicking about it, thinking, oh, I haven't dropped it. I'm so thinking with my cameras, everything's wrapped up, boxed up, and put away once I've used them. So I thought, what is it? What is it? So obviously the firmware update has fixed it. Fingers crossed. Now, if anybody else is having that problem with the video watcher, which you've probably just seen it now, it's just a little bit of a glitch and it's just a bit jumpy, and it's like a shake in the camera. When I'm walking, every step I'm taking, it's like jumping. Even though I've got it on linear and horizon leveling, even hyper smooth boost, it still does it. I've tried every single way when it was on the 1.20. Now, being on the 1.20 and then jumping to the 1.30, it seems to have done something to it where it makes it feel better. I haven't gone through all the settings yet to see if there's anything else added onto it, but obviously they must have realised that there was some sort of problem with the camera and they fixed it. It did put me off the camera, it really did. Now, I bought, like I say in the other video, I bought some ND filters and I've tried them out today. To be honest, it's not been sunny, but I have tried them and they seem to be, it seems to be okay. I tried the ND8 and I've put the 16, it's a bit too dark for the 16, but I did try the ND8, which is in that video, and it does seem to do something. But what it was with it, 1.20, I don't know. Just walking with it, it's just every step I was taking, it was jumping, and hopefully it's given us a good fix and everything's fine from now on. I just wanted everything right before we went away, and obviously this way, if it does work out that way, it'll be fine for me. I did have just loads of little things. I had the cage on this GoPro Aero 10, the plastic cage, thinking, is that interfering with it? I did everything, every different setting. I went to 1080 settings, that didn't do anything. I did the 2.7K, it still did the same bouncy sort of effect. And then obviously now putting the firmware update 1.30 seems to have fixed it. So I do recommend that you try it and see how you go with it. And the other thing as well, the battery length seemed to be lasting longer as well. I mean, it was nearly an hour and it still wasn't hot, it was still warm, and that's not using the new battery, it was using the original battery what comes with the camera. The Enduro battery, I've not used that, I've used the original battery, and nearly an hour with it, so that's another fix for me, because it was lasting what, 28 minutes, something like that, 26 minutes, and then going off on a time lapse. I do recommend anybody to go and get that Enduro battery. I've been using it today and I'm using it in the camera now, and it seems to be lasting a lot longer. So hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, let us know what if you've used a V1, sorry I keep saying V, Let me know if you've used the 1.30 firmware update, and if you've noticed anything better with it, or if there's something wrong with it. Share with others, let everybody else know. But I found it works a lot better up to now. Fingers crossed, everything's fine with it. But see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.